Now let's move to the question number 10. The diagram shows the circle with center A. This is the center A, and the radius R passing through the point B, C, D. These are the radius of the small circle. Okay. The larger circle has the radius S with center C and passing through the point B and D. The length of the BD is S. Length of the BD is S. From the given figure, we can see that BD is equals to S, which is equals to the BC, which is equals to the BD. So we can say that BCD is the equilateral triangle. Secondly, we have the radius R, which is radius of the small circle, which is equals to the AB, and this one is also equals to the AC, and this one is also equals to the AD. And ADC is the isosceles triangle. And BAC also the isosceles triangle. ABC. And ABD also the ABD also the isosceles triangle. Show that S is equals to under root 3R. We need to show that S is equals to under root 3R. From the figure triangle BCD, we know that the triangle BCD is the equilateral triangle, which is equilateral triangle. So the angle of BCD, CDB, CDB, BDC equals to the angle of CBD is equals to 60 degree, because this is one is the equilateral triangle. And we need to find the relationship between S and R. We need to know that if this one is the 60 degree, this one is 60 degree, and this one is 60 degree. So we can say that angle of ACB or angle of ABC, this one is 30 degree, half. So angle of ACB or angle of ABC is equals to the 1 over 2 half of the angle of 60. So this one is equals to 30 degree. We need to find this angle of BAC, and we know that ABC is the triangle. ABC is isosceles triangle. So sum of the angle of the triangles are 180. So angle of BAC or angle of CAB is equals to the 180 minus angle of ACB and ABC. So 180 minus 30, and this one is equals to 120 degree, which is equals to 2 pi over 3 in radians. So this angle is 2 pi over 3. Now this is the triangle ABC, and we have the angles information. We need to find the relationship between S and R, so we can apply cosine law on the triangle ABC. Apply cosine law to the triangle ABC, and this is the angle. Side opposite to this angle is the S. So S square, we know that opposite side is equals to the sum of the square of the adjacent side. So adjacent side are, this one is AB, which is R, and AC, which is R. So R square plus R square minus 2 times the adjacent side, R, product of the adjacent side, cos of this angle, which is 2 pi over 3. So we have S square equals to 2R square minus 2R square, and cos 2 pi over 3 is negative half. So 2 will be cancelled out and we will have s square equals to 2r square negative time r square time negative 1 is positive r square. So we will have s square equals to 3r square. Square root both side we will have s is equal to under root 3r. So s is equal to under root 3r, which was required. Now let's move to the part B. Find an expression for the area of the shaded region. Give your answer in the form of A plus B by R square, where A and B are constant to be found. Okay, this is required area, which is the shaded region. And plus, this is the sector of the large circle when the angle is 60 degree. So we can say the total area is equals to the total area is equals to the shaded region area plus sector of the large circle BCD. Sector BCD. Now I need to erase it. Now this same total area can be found out by using the sector of a small circle. This is the sector of small circle, which is ABD, plus area of the two triangle, which is ABC and ACD. So we can say the total area is equal to sector ABD plus area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. This one and this one. So we can find total area by using two equation, and if we equate these two equation we can find shaded region area. Let's remove it. Now total area is shaded region area and sector BCD. Total area is area of shaded region plus area of sector BCD, big circle. Secondly, we have total area is equal to sector ABD plus total area is equals to area of sector ABD, which was the small circle, plus area of the triangle ABC plus area of the triangle ACD. Now to move further, we should know that the area of isosceles triangle is equals to 1 over 2 square of the equal side, which is r, in this case r square, and sine of theta, angle between equal side, which is angle of A. Also we should know the formula of sector, which is area of sector is equals to 1 over 2 r square theta. Now if we compare these two values, total area, so we can say that area of shaded region plus area of sector BCD is equals to area of sector ABD plus area of the triangle ABC plus area of the triangle ACD. Okay. Okay, we need to find the area of the shaded region. So area of shaded region plus area of the sector BCD. Now area of the sector BCD, which has the angle of 60, which is equals to the pi by 3. And the radius of the big circle is S. So we can say that 1 over 2 radius square, which is S square, angle which is 60 degree, or in radian it is pi by 3. Okay, is equals to area of the sector ABD. Now area of the sector ABD, and this angle is also the 2 pi by 3, and this angle is also the 2 pi by 3, and the radius is r. So area of the sector ABD, which is the sector of a small circle, is equals to the 1 over 2 radius. Radius in this case is r. 1 over 2 r square, and angle is 2 pi by 3. So this one is 2 pi by 3 plus area of the triangle ABC and area of the triangle ACD. We know that these two triangles are same, and the isosceles triangle ACD and ABC. Okay, and we know that this isosceles triangle has the two equal side, which is R. This one, this one, and this one, and angle between them is 2 pi over 3. So the area of the isosceles triangle is equals to 1 over 2 r square sine of A, and in this case A is 2 pi over 3. So 1 over 2 r square sine of 2 pi by 3, and this one is same, so it can be written as 1 over 2 r square sine of 2 pi by 3. So area of the shaded region equals to, this 2 will be cancelled out, and we will have pi r square over 3. Okay, plus now area of the triangle is 1 over 2 r square sine of 2 pi by 3 is equal to under root 3 over 2, plus this one is same, so 1 over 2 r square under root 3 over 2 minus this area, which is 1 over 2 s. We just calculated that s is equal to under root 3 r. So when we plug s is equal to under root 3 r whole square times pi by 3. So this one is equal to pi r square over 3 plus this one is equal to r square under root 3 over 2 minus 1 over 2 3 r square times pi by 3. So 3 will be cancelled out. So we will have pi r square plus r square under root 3 over 2, and this one over 3 minus r square pi over 2. Taking LCM, we will have 6, and this one will be 2 pi r square plus 3 under root 3 r square, and this one will be 3 pi r square. 3 under root 3 r square minus 2 pi r square minus 3 pi r square is pi r square over 6. Okay, we need to represent in this format. So a plus b pi. So we can write it 3 under root 3 minus pi over 6 times r square. Further solving, we will have 3 under root 3 over 6 minus pi by 6 times r square, or you can say that under root 3 over 2 minus pi over 6 times r square. So this one is the area of shaded region, and this is the required format. So thank you very much for watching my videos.